Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn pencil color shading. So first we will draw a rough image of butterfly with the help of pencil. So for coloring I am using Doom Super Soft pencil colors here. So here we will use all shades of pink color, blue, purple and black color. Before we start coloring, sharpen your pencil colors nicely. Like this your color should be sharpened. So first with blue color do outline. Now shading with blue color. Just observe carefully, you will get the idea how I am doing shading here. Now purple color, do shading and color blending on blue color with purple color in this way. Here we are doing color blending. Now pink color. In similar way as we did with purple and blue blending, we will do here color blending. Here we will draw some pattern with same color. Draw some lines in this way to draw pattern in butterfly. Now fill light pink color. Now we will highlight these pattern with blue color. Add some more patterns to make butterfly wings more beautiful. Add some shading like this. So in this way we will color all the butterfly wings. Follow the same pattern. Pencil color shading is very easy to do. Just need to follow the right steps only. So do slowly and listen all the instructions carefully. Butterfly coloring is almost complete. Now we will do final outline and shading with black color. highlight wings with black color with sharpened pencil only. Add little shading on corners like this. So this is final picture. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.